in small ways.
Nĩ Munini wa muikariri giti wa kanju ya magavana Mwangi wa Iria uria heanite mukana hari ukinyaniria wa motungata thutha wa mbunge na senate kwaga kuiguithaniria hari kigina kiria kiriheagwo makaunti. Iria augite ati kuuma muthenya wa umuthi ugima wa mwiri niguo ukuhotoma makiria kuona makaunti matikuhota gwikira maguta ambulance na kugura dawa na ona aruti a wira makaunti-ini no mekuhutio.
Tomorrow is fast, but county governments have no money. And it's sad enough because there is a dispute in between the National Assembly and the Senate.
Oho, Iria ni ahinyiriirie kanitha kugeria kurehe hamwe mbunge na senate niguo kugiririria motungata kurugama makaunti-ini. Iria augite mibango ya ugai wa kigina wagirirwo gutafanio kuringana na gatiba no ti kugerera micemanio ya kuhithanira gitumi no tutwariririe bururi thina ni munene kuona mbunge na senate maikarite o uguo.
First of all, we can't give salaries. Secondly, crucial services. How do we sustain our health services? I mean, when we don't have an allocated and agreed on allocated amount.
Iria ni augite ati ndeto ino ingiaga kurorwo wega Akenya ni megukorwo magithinika na njira nene amu gutire motungata megukorwo makiamukira. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kinuthia wa Rufia.